Hello, Sir Ashley, your neighbor and Charlotte Realtor and investor. And right here, we're going to talk about the April 2020 real estate market update for our community. But before we jump into the numbers and what I think is going on in our market right now, I want to jump into a much simpler time right here in our community, back to the father-daughter dance back in February, where I took for granted the amount of social interaction that took place. Right now we are social distancing and I am missing my neighbors. Let's look at it. So for the April 2020 market update, we're actually going to look at March numbers. I'm sure you know this, you've been here before. In March 2020, our community saw 16 home sales. That is an excellent number, especially when you compare it to the 5 that sold in February of 2020. And if you look at the numbers from a year ago, for March 2019, there were only 9 home sales. The average home sale for last month was $333,000. And if you compare that to the average home sales from March 2019, it was $305,000. That is a huge jump in sale prices and was a good thing for those of us looking to sell right here in our community. Another positive is that the days on market was only 31 days for our community compared to the 54 days it took our community to sell homes for this time last year. So we were on track this year, 2020, to crush the excellent home sale numbers we put up last year. So while it can be said no one actually knows how this coronavirus will affect our housing market, one thing I do know is that 7 homes went under contract in the past 3 weeks right here in our community. And why is that important? Because we were limited as realtors from showing properties and there was a lockdown or stay home in effect for our county. So all of those events limited buyers from seeing properties, but buyers still put in offers and those offers were accepted because interest rates are at an all-time low and buyers are taking advantage of it. But as a homeowner and home seller, you have to make it convenient and easy for sellers to see your property. I recommend doing a 3D virtual tour and making sure your realtor knows how to do it and provides that for you when you're looking to sell. If you have any questions about selling or wondering what kind of tips and tricks you should use to market your property to get the most money during these weird times, please reach out to me. My team and I would love to help you and go over how we get properties sold quickly and for top dollar. As always, make it a great home buying and selling day. Talk soon. Also, before you go ahead and look at some more of the clips from our father-daughter dance and just the socials we do right here in our community.
Remember, everyone who stops, let it just go ahead and fall down to the ground. We're trying to see who can move the longest without stopping.